good. Edema Chineke mo elikwe naba ama mowe nasina edema oh edema Chineke oh edema odogwa kataka ni edema okwa gị kwaru se musa digi eligwe na baba mawe nasina edema ezi Chineke onye jinemonuwo edema ezi Chineke okorobịa dị mma eluigwe na-agba when we are lost for words, we sing. Your Father wants to hear you. To the Lamb that sits on the throne, from the depths of our hearts. Our God who is indescribable. Hey, how can we describe him? How can we explain? How can I explain? His love is unexplainable. His love is overwhelming. Hey, explainable. How can I describe it? I lack words, I can't describe it. Oh, God, that is indescribable. a beauty to behold. Such a wonder we adore. His name is Jesus. What a beauty to behold. What a beauty to behold. He's a wonder and we adore him. His name is Jesus. What a beauty to behold. You are our lover. You are my anchor, my salvation, my glory, and the lifter up of my head. Hey, you are a beauty. There is no other God like you. No one can save Lord, in you I live and move and have my being. I need move and have my being. You are Jesus. What a beauty to behold. There is no other. No one can save. No one can save. Lord, in you I live and move and have my being. You are the reason I live, move and have my being. Oh, you are Jesus. What a beauty to behold. You are altogether worthy. You are altogether lovely. Yes, you are Jesus. What a beauty to behold. You are our defender. You are the life-giving God. You are the peace giver. You are the way maker God. You